Hello, Rahul Sharma. Hi, Rahul ji.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm good, buddy. How are you?
I'm
Parvendra
fine.
Kumar. Are you from Punjab?
No, I'm not from Punjab. Well, my name.
Where are you from?
I'm from UP, Uttar Pradesh. Where you are from?
I'm from Haryana.
Oh, Haryana. That's great. So, how's the weather is there?
I'm in Bangalore right now. The weather is very good. I'm wearing a t-shirt only.
Oh my
I have
God.
very pleasant weather
In
here.
Bangalore, shit, you know what? I live in a Gurugram, but I came at my home for like vacation purpose, I can say. But it is very like cold. Like I cannot survive in a like only one t-shirt here. I have to wear like at least
Yeah,
two clothes. So in UP, like it's a village area, I can say.
winters are very terrible in our North India. In southern part of India, we don't have that much uh, coolness here. The weather is very pleasant throughout the year, and we have terrible summers in southern part of India. But in north part, we have terrible summers as well as terrible winters.
So why the way what you do in Bangalore?
I'm doing a job, buddy. I'm a technician in a company named Electrotech.
Well, if I talk about me, so I live in a Gurugram.
Mm-hmm.
Apart from that, I have done my degree in I have done my BHM Bachelor of Hotel Management from HNB University. This is a basically 4 year degree course. Now
Okay.
I have done and now I'm doing job in Hayat Place, Udihod Bihar. Like that, this is a hotel name Hayat, and
Mm-hmm.
I live in a Gurugram. Most of the people say Gurgaon as well, and some of them they called the millionaire city of Gurgaon as well.